New York City is a powerhouse of business. But with great visibility comes a bigger risk. One negative review or viral post can seriously damage your brand. That's where online reputation management, ORM, steps in. Good ORM doesn't just repair damage. It builds a strong, convincing online presence that reflects your true value. What is ORM and why it matters? ORM, online reputation management, is the practice of shaping how your brand is perceived online. It's more than just PR, it's about protecting your credibility, addressing negative feedback, and ensuring that when people search for you, they see the real you. In a city like New York, where consumers are well-informed and reviews spread fast, investing in your digital reputation isn't optional, it's essential. When ORM becomes a must-have, you should strongly consider ORM if you're dealing with persistent negative reviews, bad press, or damaging feedback. Your business goals include boosting positive content, managing your star ratings, or suppressing harmful mentions. You want long-term, sustainable control over what people see when they look you up, rather than quick fixes. Choosing the right ORM partner, someone who knows how to manage reputation in the digital age, can make all the difference. How a good ORM strategy works. Here's a practical, step-by-step approach to managing and improving your online reputation. Audit your online presence. Start with a full scan. Where does your brand show up? What's ranking on Google when people search for your name or business? Create positive content. Produce relevant, high-quality content, blogs, articles, social media posts that capture branded searches, like your brand reviews. This helps you push down negative or irrelevant content. Collect and respond to feedback. Reach out to unhappy customers for feedback, but more importantly, show you care. Respond to reviews, make improvements, and encourage satisfied clients to share their experience publicly. Promote positive mentions. Use high-authority platforms like review sites, publications, and social media to amplify your positive stories. This helps create a buffer against negative content. Monitor your brand 24/7. Leverage AI tools and media monitoring platforms to track mentions of your brand across the web. Be proactive. Catch early signs of negative sentiment before they snowball. Indeed SEO's ORM packages for NYC. Here's a breakdown of the ORM packages typically offered for New York-based businesses. Package. What you get. Basic. Protects and monitors a few key phrases, content marketing, social media engagement, some press outreach. Growth. More phrases monitored, broader SEO/ORM content, more frequent press outreach, deeper analysis, guest posts. Enterprise. Extensive phrase protection, advanced search position monitoring, heavy content creation, crisis response, and major PR. Their team also helps with reputation monitoring across Google, review sites, and social media. Repair and suppression of harmful or untrue content. SEO-driven content to outrank negative search results. Review management and crisis strategy. Pricing for these packages ranges from $250 up to $5,000 plus per month, depending on your brand's current reputation and how aggressive your strategy needs to be. How long does ORM take to work? Reputation repair is not a quick fix. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Depending on how serious your issues are, significant improvement can take 2 to 5 months, sometimes more. But with consistent effort and the right strategy, you build lasting trust, not just temporary cover-ups. Why pick an expert agency for ORM? Working with a specialized team like Indeed SEO brings huge value. They bring experience managing brands under pressure. They create high-quality content that aligns with your narrative. They use monitoring tools you might not have access to. They optimize response and strategy continuously, saving you time and reputational risk. When your online image matters, and in NYC, it absolutely does, it's smart to trust experts. Your brand's reputation is one of your most valuable assets. In New York City's high-stakes business landscape, one bad review or misstep can be amplified, but the right ORM strategy can protect, correct, and elevate your image. If you're ready to take control of what people see when they search for you, to suppress negativity, boost your positive story, and build credibility, now is the time to invest in ORM. Don't wait for reputation damage to spiral. Be proactive. Build trust. Strengthen your brand.